Sir, the airline bid has been submitted. There are just two people in the competition, Sumit Goyal and us.
Sir, we are getting repeated calls from Mr. Hang Chow's Beijing office. He wants you to call him. He should be the one to call me. Fine, sir. I'll ask him to call you. I was waiting for this call. Prabhakar.
What is it, KK?
What is this security and all that? What went wrong?
KK has some doubts.
What kind of doubt?
This was not an accident. This was done by Goyal.
That is just your notion. Why would he do such a thing?
I don't know that. But I know one thing, that Goyal can do such a thing. KK can see the evil in a man easily, very easily. But don't you worry. You take rest.
You are the one getting worried and I am fine. Everything is fine here.
Okay.
KK gets really worried.
He's the only one who's worried about you.
Why wouldn't he be? They are old friends after all. Now tell me, what will you have?
No, nothing.
Shall I make coffee for you?
No, thank you.
Hey, she doesn't like coffee like her dad, but she loves tea. Anushka, you will drink tea, won't you?
No, really, nothing.
I think she will leave now. Isn't that right?
No, I won't let her leave like that. Well, did you ever drink tea made by Siddhant?
No, it's okay, let it be.
You should taste it, Siddhant. Make 2 cups of tea. If you taste tea made by Purva, then you will quit drinking tea.
It's okay, please don't bother. I don't need anything.
By the way, she makes better tea than you do.
Thank you, Dad.
Mom, she doesn't want it.
How does that matter? Just go and make it.
Even I will drink.
Even I will drink it.
Why don't you learn it yourself?
Dad?
Yes. Did you speak to Prabhakar about something?
Prabhakar? I speak to him regularly. But are you asking me about something specific?
You met him before he met with an accident. Isn't that right?
Yes. Yes, I did. But
Did he say anything to you? Did you feel something will happen by what he said?
Dad, what's the matter?
Don't tell this to anyone. No one at all.
Sure.
I don't want any panic. No one should get scared.
But what's the matter, Dad?
Prabhakar did not meet with an accident. Someone had fired a bullet on his car tire. Someone shot it. Hence, I think that...
So then, even you need to stay alert. Security! Security!
Shrikant, don't worry. Don't worry about me. No one can dare point a gun at KK. Hence, someone attacked my weak spot.
थोड़े आंसू थोड़ी यादें थोड़ी चाहत थोड़े वादे मुझ में बाकी अब तलक क्यों तेरे जज्बात है ये
Is the tea ready? Anushka has to leave. She's getting late.
Did I ask her to wait? The tea is ready. If you want, I can make her drink too.
No, you can leave. I'll get it. Brother, will you drink it?
No.
Where is the tea? Oh, it's right here. Take it, dear.
Thank you.
Hello?
Did you decide? Listen, I don't have time.
My dad met with an accident.
How is he now? I hope he is alright.
He went in that corner as if he's speaking to his girlfriend.
Siddhant, I'll wait for your call.
Okay, bye. What happened? I'm going to my room.
How's the sugar? I don't know what's wrong with Siddhant. He has started adding lots of sugar in his tea, but he made excellent tea today. I'll get some snacks. It's fresh. You will enjoy it with the tea.
Are you finding it a little difficult to adapt to this weather?
No, I mean, it's fine.
You will manage it. There it is.
Come on. Take your medicines.
Yes, hold on.
Take it, dear.
Thank you.
You came here to meet everyone and see the home, right? Or did you come here to have snacks? Come on, I'll show you around. Come, I'll show you my house.
Let her eat first and you can do that later.
No, Mom, she'll get late. Come on, I'll show you my house.
I remember everything. What's new in there?
You just said outside that things have changed here. Come on, let me show it to you. Come on,
Go.
let's go.
है तुझे से वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले और कुछ भी चाहूं ना टूटे टूटे ख्वाब सारे बुझ गए एहसास ये सारे याद फिर भी अब तलक मुझको तेरी हर बात है ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या 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 है
This is
Mr. Prabhakar's room. It is still the same. Nothing has changed here.
when the man himself hasn't changed. How could his room change?
He doesn't need to change.
And this is Purva's room.
I remember that.
And this is my room. You just forgot me. The interiors of the room have changed, right? Because the person who lives here has changed too. He has become very smart now. And no one can fool him now.
What happened? What are you hiding from me?
No aggression today. Only love.
Tell me, what are you hiding from me?
Nothing at all.
Is it the right place for this?
There is already one in its place. Shall I show you?
Disgusting. You were right. Human beings don't change.
I always say the right thing. Anyway, you remember everything. Had I known this before, I wouldn't have wasted my time here.
You brought me here. I don't know why.
Anyway, we have got to know about Siddhant's special place today. It's great. Get some onion.
What are these?
Jaggery sweets.
It must be made of jaggery.
Wow. Amazing. Mark my words, you will work for NASA one day. Wasn't the name enough for you?
Anyway, is it fine? Shall I eat it?
I won't give you poison. Don't behave like your friends, please.
Are you okay?
Anushka, what happened? Anushka, are you okay?
Well, everything is fine. Just take care of her. She is allergic to jaggery.
Okay, doctor.
Take care.
Were you aware about this fact?
I'm sorry, I didn't know that.
What all things are you allergic to? I think you should make a list and distribute it amongst people. I was so worried for you.
Well, it was me who suffered. I had to visit the doctor. Why are you getting angry?
You won't understand, Anushka.
Sir, he got 9 stitches and security guards have been deployed outside Prabhakar's house.
Very good. A murder for a murder, an accident for an accident.
But what I was thinking,
What?
what if KK learns about this?
When no one knows about this other than you and me? Tell me, how will he get to know?
Even the shooter was aware of this.
Don't go, ma'am. Just 3 more minutes and you'll be done. Just come on, let's do it. He met with an accident yesterday, right?
Yes, Mom. He got stitches too.
And he's back here in the morning. Is he a human being or a robot?
He must have some important work. Anyway, no one tells me anything about the business.
He keeps talking about work all day. God knows how his wife tolerates him.
Oh, come on, Mom. Don't you say that, please.
Hurry up, sir will be here any time. Go.
Rao,
Hey, Mr. Prabhakar, you are not keeping well. You have been advised to take rest. How come so early in the morning?
Rao, I'm absolutely fine. Tell me what's there for breakfast today.
You will get whatever you want, except for those dishes that you had asked for. Huh? Come. Sit down and relax. Come.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You memorized all those names? I don't get all that even at home these days. You reminded me of the old days of Patna.
Prabhakar, KK has told you that he will manage things over here. Still you showed up today. Do you think I'm so useless and so capable? Do you think I'm so incapable?
Not at all.
You should be taking some rest. You are no more a 25-year-old, huh?
I have such a big responsibility of this airline deal. I know how important it is for you. I should remain strong until we crack this deal. To be honest, I've come here to have the Ragi Idlis Rao makes. As they say, Ragi Idlis does what even doctors can't, yes? Isn't that true?
You are repeating my dialogue on me.
Oh, come
That's
on.
good. Rao,
Yes.
you always talk about going to Patna. After this deal is cracked, KK will definitely take you to Patna and have all those dishes that you want to. Huh?
Is that a deal?
Done.
Mr. Prabhakar, you met with an accident yesterday. You should have taken rest. And now he's talking about going to Patna. Not at all. Why did you even come out of your house? Everything was fine over here.
I'm feeling better now. And there is no major issue. It is just that KK cares for me a lot.
That's true.
How are you feeling now, Mr. Prabhakar?
I'm fine, dear. So, shall we have the Ragi Idli?
Sure, come.
Whom do you want to meet?
Hey, Parmeet. He's Mr. Siddhant. Must have come to meet Mr. Shrikant.
You will succeed in life. You recognize people well.
Be careful, make sure you don't drop it. I like this fish a lot.
Where should I keep this, ma'am?
Keep it in my room. What if others don't care about it? At least I can. Anyway, we have to personally take care of the ones we really care. Nobody else can do that for you. Henceforth, I will feed them.
Okay.
Is that fish still here?
No, all of them are dead.
But how?
I had stopped feeding all of them.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.